On this video, I'll show you how I made over $1,000 in a single day just playing a fun little game. Let's jump straight in. Okay, so what's this all about? This is a game you play in your computer browser. It's called Townstar. You can play for free. You can register at gogala.co.uk and play this for yourself as well. But you can also play this in what's called a play to earn mode, which is what I'm about to show you. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cash out today my earnings having completed today's challenge, which means that by playing this game today, I've earned over $1,000 worth of town coin, which I can sell and convert that back into my own local currency if I want to. But yeah, it's just incredible. Now I'm really hesitating when it comes to doing this video because I'm now at that point where people start to get a bit abusive because they think it's just not possible to do that. But I'm going to show you it is. I'm not saying that you're going to make this, you know, within 24 hours. You need the time, effort, dedication. You need to be getting NFTs. Now you can multiply those up. You can start earning from small first of all, and then compound that to get further NFTs. But I will go through all that in other videos. So do subscribe to my channel if you want to learn these skills, because it is a skill. You're not going to just walk into this game and be earning $1,000 a day. But if I've done it, it does show that it is entirely possible to do it. So let's go and show that. So first of all, we've got the timer countdown, going here. 1 hour, 50 minutes left to complete today's challenge. Well, I have actually completed the day's challenge and I've now earned 1,607 town coin. I'm going to show you what that is. 1,607 town coin times by the value of what is a town coin worth. Well, today it's gone absolutely ballistic. It's now worth 66.57 cents. So times by 0.6657, that is $1,069 worth of town coin. Absolutely incredible. If you want to be in touch with other videos that I'm doing for Townstar, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be going through all sorts of details to let you know how you can really ramp this up for yourself as well. You can start with nothing. You can really build it from there. It's easier if you purchase some NFTs fairly early on, but I'll go through that in other videos. Subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Hope you enjoyed that. Click the thumbs up, help support the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.